guys, welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and share. And also, please don't forget to like. It would surely help our channel. Happy reading! Hi everyone, this is chapter 34. That was unexpected. So hindi niya na-expect na magtatapuan siya. Preso. Ba't nag-ano pa rin siya, no? Tungkod. Kaya naman niya maglakad na. I was stared at all day in the academy. Talino ka naman kasi. Nakakalakad ka na. Pwede ka na ulit bumalik. Lower told me that someone had returned to the village and announced the news to everyone. I assume my fellow countrymen have known I got first place by the exam by now. Clatter. Mga Raditestra. So many people. What's wrong? So many people sa list. Squeeze. I can't get in there. Problema. Excuse me, Mrs. Zhao. Nangyari dito? What? Who are you? Get off your hand. Off me. It's me, Liu Lang. Perfunctory. Nagbago nung malaman ang pangalan. Oh, hello, Liu Lang. I thought you guys were here for me. What's with the attitude? Well, saan ba to bahay nila? 10 minutes later. 10 minutes bago siya nakapasok. Finally. Nagulat siya. Ay, si Jungkong. I've never seen such a small monk. He's so cute and well-behaved. Bakit may small monk sa bahay niyo? Ang kintab-kintab pa ng ulo. Marvelous, what a cute monk. Tcharan! Parang dumaan ng solar eclipse Ganyan itong mga bahay, no? Sa atin, ganyan din mga bahay natin, mga kubo-kubo pag nasa bundok, eh. Sa kanila, ganun din pala pag mahirap, ano? Ciao! Yung mister, galit na naman. Sino yan? Hindi ka nag-explain. Who is he? Don't look at me. I didn't bring him here. The abbot gave him to me when I bought the mountain. Buy one, take one. Jingkong, go wash your hands with my great aunt in the backyard. I've already prepared water for you. Okay, thanks, Chow. In story niya, ano nangyari? That's what it is. I felt sorry for him, so I brought him back. So maintindihan naman niya ni Liu niya. Alam niyo naman tong bida natin. I think he tricked you into this. Talaga? Totoo yan. Trick na trick talaga. No, he's just a little boy. How could he trick me? I'm not stupid. Akala mo lang. If you're not okay with this... No, I'm fine with it. Kasi wala naman siyang magagawa. Nandiyan na yung bata. Langan isa ulit nila. I'll get the rice for you. We're not real couple. She can have as many kids as she likes. I won't object. Aww. Pero diba, fall in love ka naman kay Gu Zhao. Ano ba naman yan? Kulang lang kayo mag-usap eh. Are you my father? Did she ask you to call her mother? Nagulat. No, Joe said I could call her whatever I wanted. I'm just checking with you. What do you want me to call you? You are too big to be my son. Nga naman, malaki na siya masyado. I'm not big. I'm only 6. Is that so? You look like a 3-year-old. Lie about his age. So how old are you pala? 3 years old pa lang to. So you want to be my brother? Brother na lang, hindi anak. That works. Dumpling is the most delicious food in the world, while the sister-in-law is... Dumpling. What a frivolous monk. Ano yan? Ano meaning yan? Shut your mouth. Never speak of such a thing again. Why? Zhao will find it repulsive. I hope she didn't hear that. The rice is ready. The rice is ready. Diba isang bucket yung rice nila pag kumain? Ilan lang sila? Sa atin, ano lang, konti lang. She will be your sister. That will keep him from misbehaving. Fine, I'm not her only brother. But you are not her only man either. I'm Zhao's little man too. Ang asawa. You've only been here for 1 day and already got cocky. Did you cook meat? Mauubos yung budget nila to sa batang to. You're a monk, remember? Monks don't have meat. I'm no longer at the temple now, which means I'm not a monk. Nga naman. Stare. My hair will grow back. We can't afford to have meat. Alright. Buti na lang marunong mag-adjust ang bebe boy natin. He's just messing with you. I'll cook meat for you tomorrow. Ay, may pa-meat ang ating bedang babae. Okay. Ignore. You are a bad man. At magreklamo ka pa, bebe. Hugas plato. Naligo. Imagination mo lang yan. Ah. Hihihi. Rongkit niya, ha? Russell. Ciao? Siyempre, hindi papayag yung mister. Ikaw ba namang bata ka? Mag-asawa yan sila. Alas. Why does he look upset? Ikaw na nga pinaliguan. You are now nice and clean. You will sleep with great aunt. It's warm in her room. Okay, Chow. Great aunt? Great aunt. Buti kong tanggapin ka. What? Tatanggapin ka kaya ni great aunt? Tingnan natin. I'll sleep with you if you agree to give me half of your stashed sweets. Slim. Ginawa ngayon para hindi siya patulugin, para bumalik siya kay Zhao. Great aunt doesn't want me. You can sleep with me then. Great! Tapos dadating si Liu lang. Thanks, Zhao. Lagot ka ngayon. Si Liu lang kukuha sa kanya. Selos din pala si Liu lang natin. You are sleeping with me. Akala mo, ha? No, I don't want to sleep with you. I don't want to sleep with you. Wala kang magagawa, boy. No, you must. Alright, this is the end of this chapter. See you in the next one then. But please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye. Thank you for reading with me, everyone.